Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. So, today my topic is academic writing and introduction. So, when it comes to academic writing, a broad definition of academic writing is nothing but any writing done to fulfill a requirement of a college or university. So, academic writing is also used for publications that are read by teacher and researchers or presented at conferences. A very broad definition of academic writing could include any writing assignment given in an academic setting. So, what are academic writings? Let's see. Books and book reports, translations, essays, research articles, conference papers, academic journals, dissertation and thesis. So these are written to obtaining an advanced degree at a college or university. And abstract. This is nothing but a short summary of a long document. Explicitation. This is actually a work which explains part of a particular work. Book review and film review. So these all accommodate academic writing. So what are the characteristics of academic writing? They are formal, explicit, precise, structured, unbiased, responsible, and supported. It also accommodates focused approach, proper structuring, referencing, formal tone and style, punctuation and grammar, and must be plagiarism free. So, how to master academic writing? Planning for your writing task. So, while you get prepared for academic writing, these plans can indeed be very much helpful. What are they? Writing typically consists of these main stages. What are those? Choosing the topic, very important part, choosing the topic, read and research, planning, writing, editing, and reviewing. So the next step is planning for your writing has been identified as one of the key practices of good writers, says Wellington. And gathering, absorbing, and planning your arguments before composing the text. And active reading. So a comprehensive reading habit is a must for active writing. Reading pieces from experienced writers can help you understand complex sentence structures and concise writing patterns. So, reading critically and drawing relevant material from scholarly texts craft your academic writing. Free writing. So, free writing actually it involves writing in full sentences about a particular topic for a specified amount of time without planning or worrying about quality. So, this could be informal or a personal piece of writing. So, in general, free writing means not showing your words to anyone unless you later change your mind. Not having to stay on one topic, that is freely digressing or it may vary. Not thinking about spelling, grammar, and mechanics of writing. And also not worrying about how good the writing is. So, when it comes to academic writing, free writing actually helps you. Procrastination and writer's block. So, procrastination is nothing but the action of delaying or postponing something. So, we are all guilty of procrastinating when we have difficult tasks to do, and with writing this often happens. So writer's block is when you just cannot get anything on paper, and writers in this situation often complain that the task is too complex. So what are the steps to cure procrastination? So initially you have to recognize and label distractors as distractors, and you have to ignore them. Do not aim for perfection on the very first draft. Let it flow and then come back to polish it. Start by reading what you have produced so far and spend a bit of time rephrasing things. Clarifying or adding in a reference or a quotation. Make a note of the structure of the text you want to write and list its main headings. Then work to these, perhaps one at a time and not necessarily in order. And the next step is, do not stop writing at the end of a section. Write one or two sentences of the next one and then finish. Pick up from where you left off when you next begin. And do not finish the end of a section by running the spell and grammar checker before you switch off. You can do this the next time you begin. And do not stop to correct and revise. Keep going on and then come back to do this later. Reward yourself for meeting your targets. So when you look at this picture, you know how procrastinating your work can mar your developments in academic writing. So you could see two images, right? The first one symbolizes ineffectiveness, procrastination, no motivation, meaninglessness, frustration, chaos, and stress. And look at the second picture. It symbolizes intrinsic motivation, self-control, productivity and effectiveness, happiness, flow, habits. So these are the basic steps or necessities involved in academic writing, and I have indicated them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.